Hello there guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. In this video we will be discussing about 3D Max, and we will also be creating and designing doors. So let's get started. What is 3D Max? 3D Max, also formerly known as 3D Studio, is a professional 3D computer graphics program for making 3D animations, models, game, and images. How to download 3D Max? I will provide you a link down in the description on how to download 3D Max for free. And if you are a newcomer to 3D Max, then it can be challenging. But once you know the interface, you can move around the software quickly and easily. So this is a series on 3D Max, so please like, subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications. As you can see, I have already installed 3D Max on my computer. So on how to create doors, first you will have to click the geometry option, which is already opened by the 3D Max software. So here there are options given: standard primitives, extended primitives, compound objects, particle systems, etc. But first we will be creating doors. So you'll click the doors option, select the option called pivot. So there are three types of different doors: pivot, sliding, bifold. So today I'll be teaching you how to create pivot doors and how to design their frames. So once you click the pivot option, you will have to hold your mouse, create the door, hold it, and there you go. Now as you can see, this is not a proper door. So we will go to the parameters option, click height and increase the height, decrease the width and decrease the height a little bit, and increase the depth. Once we'll increase the depth, we'll also decrease the width a little bit, and there you go. So now below parameters, these are options: double doors, flip swing, flip hinge. So these are the parameters option and how you will open the door. So right now we'll pick double doors. Next you will go to frames. These are frames, these are the designs. So we'll go to width and we'll increase the width. Here you go. We'll decrease the depth, and then we will increase the door offset a little bit. Next we'll go to leaf parameters, which are these door designs. When you go to leaf parameters, you will increase the thickness, you will decrease the style or top rail a little bit, and these are the bottom rails, so decrease the rails. So if you want to decrease, you can decrease here a little bit, and that's it. And if you want to modify, you can click panel horizontals, which are these designs, panel vents like this. So right now our option is good, this one, our door. So next we'll go to the thickness. To increase the thickness, you will have to clear the option. So in my experience, I think thickness of 0.26 is perfect for a door. Next, the final option is to open the door. So here there will be option called open DEG. So you have to open the door like this, and see, and we have created our door. And if you don't want a double door, and if you want to flip the swing, you have to click this option, and there you go. And if you don't want a double door, just click the option and click flip hinge. This means this is a single door. And if you want to open the other side of the door, it's like this. If you want to put it on left side, it's like this. And if you want a flip swing on the outer side, it's like this. So thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, comment down below, and like the video. Thank you.